Okay, so I'm back in Sunnyvale, California. Oops, my hair. Maybe the thing's too loud. Back in Sunnyvale, California, and I kind of noticed that we need to talk about regulation about police technologies, because a lot of people today, they're selling that Meta Ray-Ban sunglasses, right? But police are actually have integrated new technologies into these sunglasses and put secret cameras to watch people, and they deploy it to city informats and things like that. So these glasses, I don't know, there was a Kim Kardashian sunglasses, one of the sisters were selling it, but these things, they can watch, we don't know which ones are regular sunglasses or fake sunglasses, and police are lately starting to get caught for stalking people, but no one has informed the public about police has a manufacturer with these cameras integrated into their cameras, so they're watching all of us citizens and residents of California and San Jose, but we cannot know anything who the manufacturer is. Like when flock safety was hidden before and no one knew about flock safety before, now the sunglasses thing, a lot of the public needs to talk about them. Like, is that person a police officer wearing these sunglasses, or is he just a regular person? There needs to be laws, because we can't exactly pinpoint where all these glasses are except for the manufacturing company. So CNN or NBC has to break in and find in the news. Otherwise, residents and people will complain about the same thing. They found out about flock safety being installed secretly. Now these things are watching residents of California and people everywhere. Oops, I was on a plane from San Jose, from SoCal, California. But men in law enforcement and the military can't just use equipment and not name what's in their storage or arsenal or what's being manufactured. So yeah, Sunnyvale, California, and Santa Clara. And why is Mayor Lisa raising her salary? There's no accountability, but somehow one of the media outlets got the story. So, but we're watching you the way you're watching us, but not in the same way. But yeah, I'm being assigned a new PE teacher in different schools. One of them I've been to before, but this year, who knows, in Cupertino. So I just got home. I'm outie. Sunnyvale, California. This is reporting Anthony Sincere, Villanueva.